You see this nut called walnut. If you have not been eating it, you are advised to start doing that immediately, for its health benefits are so immense when it comes to our health. You're welcome to Ndelen Betty TV, where your health is our priority. Kindly subscribe to be part of our healthy teachings. Thank you for doing that. Why not have a lot of several benefits to our health, and we are advised to consume this nut for the very first reason that helps to prevent prostate cancer in men and breast cancer in women, which is something to be taken very seriously. For breast cancer and prostate cancer is very common today in our society, and prevention is better than cure. These walnuts have the highest amount of antioxidant in the nut family. So you can see why I earlier started by saying that you need to start consuming walnuts, right? As it is the most powerful among other nuts. It has been proven to help slow the growth of both prostate and breast cancer. Secondly, these nuts are very good for the skin. When you eat walnuts, it helps your skin to look younger and healthier due to its powerful antioxidant and vitamin E found in it. These nuts also include minerals such as zinc, which are essential for keeping a healthy skin. And for those who suffer from dry skin, you can also use this nut oil for the protection against dry skin. What an amazing seed we have here called nut. Furthermore, walnut helps to improve the capacity of your memory, for it is high in omega-3 fatty acid that plays an important role in the brain structure and functioning. In as much as they are good for your memory improvement, it also helps to improve the quality of your sperm. So when you eat this nut, the antioxidant found in it can help boost sperm health and enhance sperm quality. Not just at that, why not helps you to grow a healthy hair, strong nails, leaving you with the beauty you desire. And those who suffer from depression, you are advised to eat this nut, as the omega-3 fatty acids found in nuts have been linked to lower the risk of depression and improve your mood. And finally, this nut that you see like this can help you out in the prevention of heart disease, which is very common nowadays in our society. So you see how powerful these nuts are to the body. So those who consume it stand a high chances of enjoying all these health benefits listed above. And if you are not yet eating walnut, rush to the supermarket and get one for yourself. And if you find this educative, kindly share the video out with your loved ones, and please subscribe to join a healthy living winning team. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads, okay? Thank you for doing that.